Hey guys, Andy Ellison here with eXp Realty. If you're wondering what's happening in Boise's housing market, you are certainly not alone. We just got our most recent real estate report, and in this video, I'm going to break it down for you so you can really know what we're seeing on the ground in our local market. First up, let's drill down on Ada County. So Ada County includes Boise, Eagle, Meridian, Kuna, and Star. Across Ada, we've seen the median sales price continue to decline. The median sales price for both resale and new construction is currently hovering right around the $540,000 mark, which is 8.5% lower than 1 year ago. We also saw fewer overall homes sell, and on the same note, homes are on average sitting on the market for just over a month, which is certainly longer than it was taking just 1 year ago. So inventory, meaning the total number of homes available on the market, continues to plummet.
No houses, no cars, no jewelry.
If you can group together resale, so pre-existing homes, and new builds, inventory is down by nearly 40%. Flat out, there just aren't many homes on the market. If you've been with us for a while now, you might remember that a year ago, so that's when we had 40% more homes available on the market for buyers to choose from. Yeah, back then we were already talking about how low inventory is. So straight out, demand continues to outpace supply. And due to this, home prices, while they have gone down a bit, have certainly not plummeted as some doomsday forecasters were predicting. Contrary to what many mainstream media outlets are saying, the shift we're experiencing is just that. It's a shift. It's not a collapse or anything quite as dramatic as you've likely heard. With inventory so low and demand remaining steady, home prices certainly aren't plummeting, and we don't anticipate seeing them do so anytime soon. The biggest factor that is impacting, and in many cases, stifling demand, any guesses?
This is Jeopardy!
Interest rates. With increased rates, buyers who require financing have of course lost some of their buying power, so they're finding themselves looking at lower price points, and well, with inventory so low, there's only so much to look at. And with inventory being as low as it is, prices aren't dropping as much as what you would see in a more balanced market. Still with me? Curious to dive a little more into how the Fed's plan with rates is panning out?
What plan?
Basically, the Fed wanted and still wants to make borrowing so to buy a home more expensive. And why do they want to do this? Ultimately, to reduce demand. And why do they want to do that? To drop prices down to a more affordable point. And while it's working to some degree, home prices are ticking downward, but well, with inventory so low because what homeowner wants to trade a 3% interest rate for one that's over 7%, home prices in our area are remaining pretty darn high. So let's say you are a first-time home buyer, or maybe just a buyer with a budget around $300,000 to $400,000. What can you do? Thankfully, there are some great programs out there with Idaho Housing and Finance Association, LEAP Housing, and other affordability programs. These can be incredibly instrumental for hopeful buyers. There are also educational programs such as IHFA's Final Home and NAR's Real Estate Talk that can help prepare buyers. And then on the other hand, current homeowners who are looking to relocate or maybe add to their investment portfolios but are a bit confused on how to navigate the choppy waters, well, there's the option to use cash equity to buy down your interest rates. If this is all going over your head, no worries. We have a network of fantastic lenders in our local area that we would love to connect you with. So give me a call, shoot me a text, and we can connect you. Or if you aren't quite ready to talk with anyone, but would like more information, we will include some links in the description of this video so you can check it out. Last topic I want to cover today, new construction. How are builders adjusting to our current marketplace? Or better yet, how can you as a hopeful buyer of a new build capitalize on this market? Here's an infographic that details what we are seeing in Ada's new construction market. As you can see, the median sales price for new builds is now almost 19% lower than it was just 1 year ago. And at the same time, homes are taking more than twice as long to sell, 57 days compared to just 20. What's interesting though, more of them are selling. Sales are up 14.5%, even though inventory is down by nearly 30%. So what's the deal? In a nutshell, builders are offering some great concessions now to get their homes sold. And at the same time, they have responded to the market and have slowed down production, so inventory is down. If you love the idea of getting into a new build, our current market might just work more in your favor than you think. We have a video covering everything you need to know about the new build process, which we will link here. So what's coming? Where's the market headed? Oh, to have a crystal ball. In general, we're expecting demand to remain tentative due largely to rates and economic uncertainty. And at the same time, inventory, so the supply of homes available on the market, will also remain low. There will be fewer listings until more existing homeowners return to the market. Whether you are a buyer looking for a hidden gem, or an investor looking for a flip, or a seller aiming to maximize return, we are here to help. Call or text us 208-598-3040. And as always, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can stay in touch. Have a great day.